Host Robbie Domingo confronts a Dunbel fan over a controversial comment, warning that legal action may follow. Kapamilya host Robbie Domingo has issued a warning about potential legal action against a fan of Donnie Pangilinan and Bel Mariano, collectively known as Dunbel. The issue arose after Robbie posted photos and videos on Instagram featuring himself and his Pilipinas Got Talent co-host, Melay Cantiveros. Expressing his excitement about joining the renowned talent show, Robbie captioned his post, "From being a fan to now being part of this legendary show, what a dream come true. Honored to be here alongside an amazing team. Pilipinas, let's celebrate talent like never before. The stage is set." This season's Pilipinas Got Talent judges include Donnie Pangilinan, Catherine Bernardo, and comedians Freddy and Eugene Domingo. However, what was meant to be a celebratory moment took a different turn when a Dunbel fan left a hostile comment aimed at Robbie. The fan accused Robbie of possibly promoting a pairing between Donnie and Catherine Bernardo instead of Bel Mariano and warned that Bel's loyal supporters would heavily criticize him if he did so. The comment read, "At Robbie Domingo ay subukan mo lang na i-match si at Donnie at Bernardo Kat ready and solid supporters ni Bel Mariano na i-bash ka mula ulo mo hanggang paa. Wag mo itolerate yung kalandian ng peste mong kaibigan." Robbie directly responded, questioning whether the comment constituted a threat and expressing his stance against such behavior. "Can I consider this as a threat? Can I take legal actions against this? I don't tolerate this behavior," he replied. His response sparked mixed reactions online, with some supporting his stand against online hate while others debated whether the fans' comment warranted legal action. As social media continues to be a battleground for intense fan rivalries, Robbie's reaction serves as a reminder of the consequences of cyberbullying and online harassment. While it remains unclear whether he will officially pursue legal action, his firm stance highlights the importance of promoting responsible online interactions in the entertainment industry.